I'm Sandy Genovese, and we're looking today at Unifix letter cubes. The letter cubes take the same Unifix concept, but instead of applying it to math, it's being used as a way to reinforce the alphabet and the creation of words. So they come in a set like this that has the consonants and the vowels. And they also come in a set that have the blends. So and each set also comes with like a little student guide and suggested activities that you can play as well. Now, when you're looking at the CVC, is consonant, vowel, consonant, it's set up with a lot of things that make it really easy to organize. The blue cubes are the consonants and the red cubes are the vowels. And when you look at them, you can see that they're all set up so that the uppercase is on one side, and when you flip it over, the lowercase is on the other side. So depending on where your students are progressing, if they're still just memorizing the uppercase, you would start there. To begin with, when they're learning the alphabet, it's fun to have them place all of the cubes together in alphabetical order. And it's fun to have them sing the alphabet song to go along with this. And here you see it in uppercase, and when you turn it over, here you see it in lowercase. They begin to understand which are the vowels and which are the consonants. Then they begin to build words. And in the case of word families, they can see how building the word bat, and by simply changing one letter becomes cat, and then by changing it again can become sat, and so on. Once they've mastered the consonant, vowel, consonant concept, then they're ready for the initial, the medial, and the final blends. The initial blends are green, the medial blends are orange, and the final blends are yellow. And as they're learning words and placing them together, they're going to be attached the same way that Unifix cubes always attach, just this time with letters to create words instead of with numbers. Now, if you want to do it for the class and you need a larger set, I'll bring this up and you can see that they're also a magnet set so that you can put them and they'll stay up on your board in a larger format that allow you to do the same activities but with the whole class. Another fun thing to do with these beginning consonant and vowel blends is to take and look at the word ladders. Now, the first set of word ladders uses the consonant, vowel, consonant, and the second group of word ladders is where you get into initial blends, if I pull back, medial blends, and final blends. The fun thing about the ladders is how they work. Basically, the first 1 and 2 are done for you. So you start with the word map. If you change one letter, it creates the word cap. So here is map, using the words. Here, by changing one letter, would be, if I had the right, by changing the M out, and it's such a tactile way, here I go to cap. Now, in order to go from cap and change one letter, but still have it make sense by changing another letter to go to cot, it means that I need to then go from cap to cat. So I now go from CA and add the T. So I've gone from map to cap to cat to cot. And the next thing that I would have to do is to go to pot, to pet, which that would go to pen, and then to 10. It's such a fun thing. They really have to think, and it's fun. As they replace one letter at a time, it really helps them see that just changing one letter creates these word families. Once they've mastered the consonant, vowel, consonant, they're going to do the same thing with the blends. You know, Unifix letter cubes will give young learners of all abilities a really great hands-on tool as they're learning the alphabet and their early reading skills.